My video tutorial is about getting rid of the ransomware called Rapid, and this ransomware is from the Medusa Locker family. Rapid ransomware is able to essentially damage the files that people store on their hard drives. My video, though, is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your data. So you can clearly see that before the ransomware attack, we were able to open our files, but after the ransomware attack, the ransomware encrypts files and appends this Rapid3 extension to the file names. The figure after the word rapid may be different in each specific case. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom, of course, is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. This is the ransom note, by the way. I recommend you to remove this horrible ransomware urgently with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Of course, you should not pay the ransom and you should not waste your money. Go to the page combocleaner.com, use this green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, and then start carefully researching the system. So, Combo Cleaner, after you start it for the first time, will be initially in the trial mode. So, only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. The software will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Then, at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of all the threads which were found on the computer. Some threads, of course, can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected from further ransomware attacks. So, take your time, wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Combo Cleaner, though, does not decrypt the files. It helps to remove the ransomware and it helps to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files. Keep this in mind. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. But Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to effectively detect and to remove this ransomware. Protection of files by Combo Cleaner is carried out with the anti-ransomware feature. But Combo Cleaner, as I said, does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt files. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your files. And of course, consider premium license. You can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner.